outfit, lay up in the penthouse suite. You ain't gotta worry about shit. I'ma go out, get the dough. After that, get the money. Make sure fuck you ain't worry about shit.
What going on, TZ Gang, man? Y'all see I'm back with another mukbang. You know I got some food right here and a drink. I ain't really gonna go too hard on the food lately because my stomach been hurting and stuff. But I ain't Chick-fil-a today, and I'm just finna talk to y'all, basically tell y'all what been going on with me. So basically, you know, I've been kind of sick for like the past couple days. You know, I ain't ate nothing so long. I haven't really ate a real meal. Well, I ate some fish yesterday for my auntie house. So, see again, I see y'all been enjoying the mukbang, man. You know, I've been trying to get y'all something different, but you know, due to the quarantine, you know, I haven't really, you know, been studying quarantine junk and all that stay home junk. Cause I really don't like staying home. Like, it's so boring. Like, I've been in the house just looking at the ceiling, bro. Like, bro, somebody save me from this, bro. Like, for real. Like, it's so freaking boring. Okay, good. You did good. Okay. But this game, I just want to come give y'all an update. This mukbang really not gonna be like a real mukbang. So I just want to catch y'all attention right quick, but you feel me? Y'all already know, man. Today finna be a real lit video. Just stay tuned, bro. Cause y'all already know this game, we go crazy every day, man. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And gang, I'm out here.
You would just get the white bowl, bro. So you get the white bowl. Yeah. Got something for y'all to get full.
I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna get mad.
Gotcha, bitch.
One kill to his name, that nigga suck. Like, what was running the game until I get killed?
What going on, TZ Gang? Y'all already know what it is, man. So we back, bro, and we finna go ahead and get this prank on Devin, on the whole house, basically. Y'all see, man. Look, you ugly, boy. I mean, like, boy. Hold on, we gotta get some lights turned on. Turn on the light. I got a little bro right here, man. Y'all already know, man. Y'all already know, man. All right, so. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Not that big time, bro. But they'll be like,
Y'all put this
not that
bit down.
Not that bit there. Alright.
That's about it, right?
Muscle head there. Ugly ass boy. Fat ass no boy. Alright.
Hey, call him though.
Alright, yeah. Call him. Hey, call your mom and be like, Mom, somebody just broke in this bit.
No.
You scared the car?
No.
You scared the car? They gonna, how they just gonna run a different shit?
Somebody came in this bit.
Huh?
The Maya was asleep. Get it out of that, okay? Oh, we just ain't gonna be like, we ain't never go in that room to see.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah. Hell yeah. Just set the camera up and be like,
Leave the window up.
hell yeah. Be like, how we gonna leave the window up? Like, y'all ain't got no stick with this shit,
Nah, I don't leave the window up because we would have seen it, bro.
Yeah, we would have seen it.
Hell yeah. Hold, leave this bit right here though, like.
What the fuck you leaving that right now?
That's what they got the window over with.
Yeah.
That's what they got. Yeah, that's what they got the window over with.
Put that bit. I just dropped that bit.
Hell
What
yeah.
the fuck it is? Somebody, they buried something right now?
That's what they use right now.
No, it's about this.
Rest in peace to that squirrel that died.
You capping, bro. Cut the light off, bro.
Y'all already know, man. We getting lit, man. I told y'all, man. Teaser game, we going up, bro. Like we ain't playing no more, bro. It's over. The games is done. It's over with. Anybody, it's a prank wall. Funny Mike, bro. You what, bro? It competition now, bro. It competition in the air, bro. It competition, bro. Y'all niggas stay tuned, cause it finna get lit. Leg girl. Gang.
Oh God.
Don't bad, bitch.
Boy, Dale, boy, on both coming, fam. Real shit. Hey, what the fuck the TV at, fam?
What?
What the fuck? What TV is, fam?
Big.
What the fuck? But hell no, boy.
But what the?
But hell no, fam.
Y'all window was up, bro.
GD, bro, hold on, y'all need to chill.
What the?
They don't took TV.
Bro, they just broke in y'all shit. The Maya was here, bro.
That man must have been asleep, though. Oh, gang.
Somebody hit
What
y'all
the
with
fuck?
that. Hey, Dale, you gotta spin. What the fuck? Somebody hit y'all.
Oh, gang. I'm finna go check. I'm finna check Bobby Jones.
And we just got here, bro.
Been
We just got
lurking.
it. We just got it.
Oh,
We
gang.
We just got to this
Took
big.
your TV, fam.
What the hell? Bro, they
Took
took.
TV, fam.
Bro, like dead ass for real, bro. What the fuck?
They ran y'all.
But y'all had y'all shit up? But what?
I let who gonna take y'all shit.
Yeah, nah.
Oh boy, what the
Before
fuck?
they just take the TV to leave everything up.
Right, and they ain't going nowhere else in the house?
I feel like I know who it is, though, on the set.
Who?
Private ride.
On gang. It gotta be one of the white man niggas.
It gotta be somebody y'all know, bro.
Maya in there.
The Maya was in there asleep.
Oh, damn.
Teach my record, teach what the TV at.
Facts, I ain't recording, bitch. I just started recording,
She
bitch.
did just start recording, bro. Oh
Oh,
God.
hell no, bro.
What
the fuck, bro?
What? This junk ain't funny, bro. That junk ain't funny, bro.
Hey, bro,
They took the TV.
the blinds.
No. They go check this shit.
What y'all finna go do?
Y'all folk playing, man.
On God, we ain't playing, bitch. I'm recording a fight,
I
bitch.
be playing, bro.
On God, we ain't playing, bro.
GD, bro.
We finna record this shit. Nigga wanna break your phone houses and shit.
Oh, man.
The fuck? The fuck? On God, everybody jumping in. Ain't nobody getting scared.
Record this shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm recording this shit.
Gang.
The fuck?
Hey, y'all, boy. Hey, my bro. This is a prank, bro.
It's a prank.
Yeah, y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. We finna stand out this bitch. Y'all for hell.
Your boy up on that bit like an army, boy. Hey, don't tell y'all much. It's a prank, though. Don't tell.
Alright, Teaser Gang. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned, because the video's only going to get better. Y'all already know what it is when you see who it is, man. Go crazy.